Starting an S corporation can be a smart move for your business, but understanding the full cost picture is essential before you take the leap. The expenses go far beyond a simple filing fee, and they vary significantly depending on where you incorporate and how you manage compliance. When budgeting for an S Corp, you need to think about two distinct categories of expenses. First are the one-time startup costs that get your corporation off the ground. Second are the ongoing operational costs that keep your business compliant year after year. The one-time startup expenses typically include state incorporation filing fees, which range from $50 to $500 depending on your state. You'll also need a registered agent, which costs between $100 and $300 annually if you use a professional service. Some business owners choose to reserve their company name before filing, which adds another $10 to $50. If you use an incorporation service provider or attorney, expect to pay anywhere from $0 for do-it-yourself filing up to $500 or more for full-service assistance. Getting an employer identification number from the IRS is free, though some service providers charge a fee to obtain it for you. This is one area where you can easily save money by handling it yourself. The ongoing costs are where many new S Corp owners get surprised. Annual reports and franchise taxes are state-dependent and can be substantial. California, for example, charges an $800 minimum franchise tax every year, regardless of whether your business makes any profit. Payroll services are essentially mandatory for S Corp because owners must pay themselves a reasonable salary. These services typically cost $20 to $100 per month. You'll also need bookkeeping or accounting software and services, which run between $200 and $2,000 or more annually. Tax preparation for S corporation returns is more complex than personal taxes, often costing $500 to $1,500 depending on your business complexity. The state where you incorporate makes a massive difference in your total costs. California charges a $100 incorporation fee plus that $800 annual franchise tax. Delaware has an $89 filing fee and a $225 minimum franchise tax. Texas has no state income tax, but corporations must file an annual report and pay a franchise tax if revenue exceeds $2.47 million. Florida charges a $70 filing fee and a $150 annual report fee. If you plan to operate primarily in one state, it's generally more cost-effective to incorporate there rather than choosing a state like Delaware unless you have a specific strategic reason. Beyond the obvious fees, several hidden costs can catch new S Corp owners off guard. The reasonable salary requirement means you must set up proper payroll systems and pay payroll taxes on your compensation. This creates both direct costs for payroll processing and indirect costs in terms of time and complexity. Professional fees add up quickly. Many S Corp owners consult with tax professionals or attorneys to ensure compliance, and these experts typically charge $150 to $400 per hour. Software subscriptions for managing payroll, books, and taxes become necessary expenses. Tools like QuickBooks or Gusto charge monthly fees that add to your operational budget. Filing IRS Form 2553 to elect S corporation status is free, but improper or late filing can disqualify your S Corp status entirely and cost you valuable tax benefits. Getting this right is crucial. The articles of incorporation must be filed with your state's Secretary of State office. Filing fees vary by state and may be calculated based on the authorized number of shares. Most states charge between $100 and $250 for filing and administrative fees. Some states charge corporations a franchise tax simply for doing business within their borders. These fees typically range from $800 to $1,000 annually, though states like Nevada don't charge franchise tax at all, making them attractive for incorporation. Miscellaneous government filing fees can add another $50 to $200 depending on your state and business type. These smaller fees add up and should be included in your budget. While it's possible to incorporate without an attorney, it's generally not recommended. The process is complex, and mistakes can create significant legal problems down the road. Law firms typically offer flat fees between $500 and $700 for incorporation services, though some may charge more than $5,000 for complex situations. The key difference between C corporations and S corporations lies in taxation. S corporations are treated as pass-through entities for federal income tax purposes. Income tax credits, deductions, and losses pass through to individual shareholders rather than being taxed at the corporate level. This can provide significant tax advantages but comes with strict requirements about the kind and number of shareholders allowed. The main drawbacks of S corporation status relate to costs and complexity. You'll face ongoing state fees and possible excise or franchise taxes. Tax return preparation becomes more expensive because you need professional help filing both state and federal returns. You'll likely need to purchase accounting software to generate the data required for tax filing and create a payroll system to track and issue paychecks. Unanticipated operating costs often emerge after incorporation. Insurance costs may increase when you form a corporation. Some states require CPA audits or reviews of your financial statements, adding another layer of expense and complexity. On average, startup costs for an S corporation range from $300 to $1,000, depending on your state and whether you hire professionals for assistance. However, this is just the beginning. Annual maintenance costs can easily reach $2,000 to $5,000 or more when you factor in franchise taxes, accounting services, payroll processing, and tax preparation. Understanding the complete cost picture helps you make an informed decision about whether S corporation status is right for your business. The tax savings can be substantial, but they must outweigh the added complexity and compliance obligations. Careful planning and budgeting for both startup and ongoing costs will help you maintain compliance and avoid penalties while maximizing the benefits of S corporation status.